Everyone said at this time, which may be said, because the state of the economy as presented by the NDC. And as a member of the opposition, a leader, if you know that we are hoping that next 4 years, Ghana for they're fed up with this government and the sort of things they are doing. Say no matter better about my now. Could be say, yeah, we see chamber for fra. At this time, I say independence kwa yendi. Na sikeni wa much as a cut it down on government expenditure now that nazo pe chamber at the hospital. They are now Afenyo. I'm the one remember workers and we expect politicians to be moderate in their request for the state to finance them. What does it? Your impression is Parliament or yeah, sure, I'm crying 4 years from the S Gracia, or tax payers money this year. Space no more. No. Acquires a Bank of Ghana, so we see that for. We believe it is enough. What do I say? For now, given the resources the state has, and the government and Canada, Japan will not prioritize building a place for Parliament because in Yama was here, Oko Burkina Faso. She cannot be the Parliament if you know only the year industries.
I say, a company at Tosuminu, Aqua 37 was Ebi.
Yes, and almost irrigate your Musasi and the wood your feet. So that's the canon and Afenyo see if I go be hospital man.
Annie,
a hospital bit my share will be a backward. That's it should be a teaching hospital. And the cannot expect Parliament to have a teaching hospital, not even a clinic, because this hospital and that is a clinic in Tirinja of a state of the art hospital. And I think it's a request that I knew what's on the free and crab, maybe you just see or some minority, some minority of friends at you, which is a micro. And to who be as simple as I had taken. Tabia, none from here. In your person and neighborism.
Eh, Nanny Brissampa, waka would Chirimunia, Diama, Mamma Yaraka Cracker Chance 37 crab and woman Timunia. Say what's Umukusia, Sabia Frubia said, Dema, Marashibi Jafo.
And Afenyo, he has gotten it all wrong. The position as a minority leader, no, you're careful. Because never go out kind of unpopular before the people. And I'm not sure that some of these things should be joked with.
A bit more Casa Afenyo. As I said, you will see AD, Edom Kume, and Nimufi. And Koye, Ara, a betting to how the Abram Pipia Manuku. Sana Uno.
The name is Hadia. If it's or he did it because or a micro. And the only way they can survive is to make sure they are mobile team on any party. What do I say?
Okay.
And they'll be perceived to be doing their work. Fortunately for him, NDC for no be a no camber of war as a mobile. And the majority and effective because so I'm got to piano or camber of money.
Now it's up as a majority no one table of one.
But the evidence no. Mobile Parliament,
was it? Nano, mammy, we were casting, was it yesterday? I'm happy.
Yes. Primary school, back to a growth and cancer, or a degree holders go. You see, the problem we are facing is that we are making our democracy too expensive. And every parliamentarian should have that at the back of his mind. Say, perception there is important too. Who opposition as who banner basi hospital there? Who go be on to Abama or seven of the country? What I say, who opposition? Yeah, Juma party in I say, the better to treat him can next 4 years, yes, you have power. What's he will buy or do go see hospital? No, acquire them. Who goes to hospital? Second one was acquire them.
Chamber, Parliament or say befitting one world class chamber.
Exactly. Then what are you telling the people? And Afenyo me pacho.